Australia reported its biggest jump in COVID-19 cases in 2 months on Monday. Its second most populated state, Victoria, said it's now weighing whether to reimpose social distancing limits. Victoria recorded 75 new cases within 24 hours. The state's Chief Health Minister, Brett Sutton, stressed those with symptoms should stay home.
If they've got symptoms, they shouldn't be going and visiting other people. They shouldn't be going out to any other setting, including work, because that's where we're seeing transmission at the moment. I think there's still an opportunity for that to turn around. But if it isn't, absolutely public health directions, a change in the law is something that we have to consider, because we have to do whatever is required to turn this around.
Victorian state officials last week deployed ambulances and mobile test centres to test more residents in 10 hotspot suburbs. But some locals declined the voluntary throat and nasal swab tests. Victoria is hoping a new saliva test, which is less intrusive, will encourage more people to get tested, even though it is slightly less accurate. Meanwhile, other states and territories have yet to report their latest numbers of infection. Despite the red flags and health warnings, Prime Minister Scott Morrison is calling for state borders to reopen and jumpstart the economy.
And I've been very consistent in advocating to all the premiers and chief ministers, regardless of what side of politics they come from, that it's important to get these borders open.
Australia's social distancing limits succeeded in slowing the spread of the virus, but they took a bite out of the economy. The country is heading into its first recession in 3 decades as unemployment hits 7%.